they took us to Buchenwald, and they marched us. They lined us up outside the door, and they took one at a time into the barracks. And when it came to my turn, I could hear all kind of people were yelling and crying, and it was. I didn't know what was going on, but then I saw that there was a big tub of disinfected water, and they wanted everyone to he should immerse his head in that water, into that disinfectant water. And that disinfectant water was, it was burn your skin off. That's how strong it was. So, and when I saw this, that the guys are very hesitant to go in and immerse themselves in the tub. The coppers, they had wooden pieces of wood, and they were like clubs, and they would put them right over the back, and for sure they would break their backs, break their bones. So I saw that. I said to myself, I'm going to jump right in and get immersed in that tub, and I didn't get hit or beaten up.